What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig, and let's get into the charts. As you guys know, I am super bearish on Bitcoin. That doesn't mean we can't have one more push up. We're going to take a look at the Wyckoff Distribution schematics that I've been talking about since the beginning of the month. So we've been talking about this for a month. We've been expecting either one of these scenarios. Let's see which one it's going to be. Definitely stick around for the whole video. This is going to be super quick. We're just going to show you the bearish side of the markets. If you're super bullish, you still should watch this video. That way you at least can think about what you're going to do if this does play out. So let's take a look at what's going on. As you guys know, when most people are bearish or bullish in the market, which right before every dump, we see massive bullishness. Everybody's super excited. But in reality of things, the macro charts are still showing severe bearish signs. If you guys are interested in trading, before we begin, quick word from the sponsor, PrimeXBT.
Begin your path to financial freedom. Gain up to a $7,000 bonus on us. Register and use promo code. Deposit and enjoy a 7% bonus. Available now. Link in the description.
As you've seen, the links are down below for PrimeXBT. Use my link and my promo code Savvy50 and Savvy25 to get you huge bonuses. Let's get into it. So looking at the distribution schematic number 2 of the Wyckoff method, right? Let me pull it up here so you guys can see what it looks like. I do believe this is where we're at. There are two different distribution schematics. This is the first one. And as you can see, this is what we've been talking about. I actually drew this in here at the beginning of the month when I started showing this. You can go check it out. I believe it was on October 2nd is when I made the first video on it. I did this a long time ago, back in 2021, and showed you right before the big drop too. Nobody wanted to listen then, so at least take this into consideration. I'm trying to help a lot of people out by, guys, the economy is in bad shape. The traditional markets are going to crash hard, in my opinion. Of course, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, but guys, things are not looking good. And those that say Bitcoin is designed for this, well, we'll see, because Bitcoin has never seen a traditional bear market, which I believe we are going to get in a big way. So just be cautious, if nothing else. But anyways, as you can see, let me pull this back up. As you can see, you see the right across here, this trend line. If this is schematic number 2 that's going to play out, we should not break this trend line, which is at around 31,150, right in that range. If we do break above that, then we look at schematic 2, which is temporarily bullish in the smaller time frames, but still in the macro, very, very bearish. As you can see, I do expect a big drop coming. So just be careful, guys. Let's take a look at schematic number 2. Schematic number 2 shows us getting anywhere from 32 to 33 if we do break this trend line. Again, we drew this all out on October 2nd. You can go watch the video, but this would be the bullish case, guys. Look for major shorts in here if we do get up in these ranges. We've seen this all before. Anyone that's been watching my channel understands this. If you haven't, make sure you do. Make sure you guys smash the likes. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Do you think we are in Wyckoff distribution? Or, as some seem to think, we are in accumulation? I do not. I do think we are in distribution. And I think this is going to be very painful for the bulls, right? So if we do get up here, just remember, watch for major dump up in this area if we have not started already with the schematic number 2. But here's schematic 1. Let me throw it up there so you can see it right here. As you can see, oh no, this is that's 2. Hold on a minute, let me get that out of here, pull this up. Right here is schematic number 2. As you can see, if this is the case, right here is where you want to put in major shorts, guys. If this is distribution, which I really think we are in distribution, and this thing is gonna dump hard. And then when you're in distribution, one of the main signs is everyone's super bullish, right? Just like right now. But you can see what happens. I do believe this is where we're headed. Either way, it's to the downside. Here's another macro view on the daily. As you can see, higher high, higher high. Then we drew this trend line. We have not broken it, just like we didn't over here. Everyone was super bullish right here, guys. This is just a huge warning to what I believe is coming. Monthly, I do believe we're probably seeing a reverse diamond unless we get the other distribution where we go up a little bit higher. But either way, even if we do make a little bit higher high here, we're still going to be making a lower high, right? High, lower high, lower high, low, lower low, lower low coming, guys. Here's the 5-wave count. And remember, this red line here, if this gets broken, which if we get the second distribution, this line will be broken, right? But if it does not break, this is still wave 4 in my opinion, with wave 5 coming down to 35 to 9,700, which has been my target for 2 years. Still looking for that. I warned you guys of the distribution here. I warned you of this here. So be careful. This thing is gonna come down hard if it does come out to be distribution, guys. Very hard. Most people are not gonna have time to get out. Also, people have numbers like we'll hit 25, 24, 23. Everybody will be calm till them levels, thinking you're gonna get a bounce. But when it breaks through there, it'll be harsh and you will not have time to get out. This message is to the hodlers. If you are just a long-term, like very long-term hodler, you'll probably be okay, right? I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to zero. I'm just saying we have much lower lows to go. Now, if this gets invalidated, the 5-wave count, does that mean everything's bullish? No, because we still have this falling wedge looking for E to come down between 37 and 9,700. Same thing we've been looking for a long time. I'll also go over in tomorrow's video. We're going to concentrate on the bubble pop and look at other bubbles, which Bitcoin also resembles, which means the bubbles always return to where they began. The bubbles began down here, guys. All right, let's take a look at this. So if we've topped out here, this does make a beautiful head and shoulders, right? And what's the measured move of the head and shoulders? 17.8 to 17.9. We drew this out weeks ago. That's pretty much it. Other than BNB, guys, when it breaks 202, which I'm pretty damn confident that it will, 153 is your next target. After that, 69. And if 69 doesn't hold, this thing is going to collapse, bringing Binance to a, well, you know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want daily updates. I also have my Discord and Twitter links down below. Take it easy, guys. I'm out.